All right, so guys, this is number 6 out of 2.1. And the problem says a city in the Pacific Northwest recorded its highest temperature at 91 degrees. Okay, so I'm going to write something down. So we know that the max is 91, and the lowest temperature, the min, is 18 degrees Fahrenheit. Okay, for a particular year, use this information to find the upper and lower limits in degrees Fahrenheit on the first class. We're just going to do this for the first one. If we want to make a frequency distribution of temperatures throughout the particular year using 10 classes. Okay, so we're going to have a total of 10 classes. So if you remember from right here, okay, so it says decide on the number of classes. We know we're going to use 10, right? So number 1, we're going to have 10 classes. And let's see, number 2, come back over here. We're going to find the class width as follows. So we're going to take the range of the data. So remember the range, we're going to take the max minus the min, and then we're going to divide by the number of classes, okay? So we're going to do this. We're going to take 91 minus 18. So let me grab my calculator quick so we can figure out what is 91 minus 18. 73. Then we're going to take that number and divide it by 10. And remember, I'm going to convert it to a decimal. So the way I do that is I hit math and then the second one to convert to a decimal. And we're coming up with 7.3. So we got 73, we divided it by 10, we came up with 7.3. Now, if you remember from step number 2, let me put it right here. So let me use my eraser real quick, and I'll do this in red. This part here says we're always going to round up, okay? So 7.3, we're going to round it up to 8, okay? And that's going to be our class width. So when we're going to do this for our class width, now we're going to start setting up our classes, right? So remember, the lowest number was 18. So then if we were to add 8 to that, that would be 26. And if we were to add 8 to that, that would be 34, so on and so forth. So remember, if I'm going to find the upper class limits, the number right before 26, that would be 25. The number right before 34, that would be 33, so on and so on and so forth, right? Now, the direction said, let's do this for, let me see if I can find it, for the first class, right? So the first class is going to be between 18 and 25. So my answer would be choice A, okay? If y'all got any questions, please let me know. I'm happy to help.